1. Get a garbage bag, the bigger the better, and do a walkthrough of your entire home. Pick up and throw away any trash, including emptying the small cans in bathrooms and in bedrooms. When you are done, empty the big can in the kitchen and put all bags outside for pickup. 2. Do another walkthrough and pick up all dirty clothes. Don't forget those dirty towels in the bathrooms. Take them to the laundry room and put a load on to wash. The perfect time to do a load of laundry is while cleaning your home. If you use a laundry mat, stuff everything into a laundry bag or basket and set it aside for washing another day. 3. Do another walkthrough and gather dirty dishes. Take them back to the kitchen and wash the dishes. Wash them, dry them, and put them away if possible. 4. Now it's time for dusting. Get 2 rags. One is for wood and one is for everything else. Spray Pledge on the wood rag and simply dampen the other. Go through each room dusting everything that could collect dust. It is important to do this before vacuuming. 5. Go back and clean the kitchen and bathroom surfaces. Countertops, microwave, stove, sinks, tubs and toilets. Use any multi-surface cleaner, putting away all miscellaneous items as you go. 6. Grab the vacuum and hit the entire house. Go back and forth, slowly hitting high traffic areas and doorways and in front of sofas a few extra times. 7. Do a whole house walkthrough, putting away any misplaced items and straightening things like chairs out of place or a magazine on the nightstand. You are done.